This will be a quick guide to changing font styles in Squarespace using your website template. To start, open the customization options for your site by clicking on the Edit button on the page you'd like to style. Next, look towards the top right of your screen and select the paintbrush icon. This opens the Site Styles panel, where you can adjust the overall look and feel of your site. In Site Styles, locate the Fonts tab. Click on it to see a variety of preset fonts available. Any changes made here will automatically apply site-wide, keeping your design consistent across all pages. For further customization, click on the arrow next to Fonts to expand your options. Here, you can set different fonts for your headings and paragraphs. In this example, we'll focus on changing the headings font. Start by selecting Font Family and then Browse All Fonts. You'll see a list of fonts to choose from. Or you can search for a specific font if you have one in mind. Once you're happy with your font choices, don't forget to save. Squarespace will apply these updates across your site, ensuring consistency on every page.